Can you play Repo on MacBook? In this video, I'm going to show you whether you can play Repo on a MacBook. Repo is a Windows-only co-op horror game that isn't natively supported on Mac OS. However, you can still play it in your MacBook using compatibility tools. One option is crossover, which allows you to run Windows applications on Mac OS without installing Windows itself. By installing Steam through crossover, you can download and play Repo directly on your Mac. Another method is using Parallels Desktop, a virtualization software that lets you run a Windows environment on your Mac. This approach requires a Windows license but provides a more integrated experience. For Intel-based Macs, Boot Camp is an option. It allows you to install Windows alongside macOS, enabling you to boot into Windows and run Repo natively. However, Boot Camp isn't available on Macs with Apple Silicon chips. Additionally, cloud gaming services like Boot, Steroid, and r.e.p.o let you stream Repo to your MacBook without installing the game locally. These platforms run the game on remote servers, so a stable internet connection is essential. And that's how you play Repo on a MacBook.